Tap out. Deep sea diving. 3,000 leagues under the seas. Rapping to me is a breeze. Chilling with some G's. We are the realest. You can't feel us. I hope that you kill yourself if you ain't with us. Yeah, we done it harder than anybody done it before. Let the beat ride so you can vibe with us too.
Yeah!
Something like the hook. My style ain't by the book. Hot in the kitchen, don't look. I got the cook on. Your baby mama got a look on. She see me, she slid the number to the cell phone. Called her back 3 nights ago. You ain't talked to her in a week. Damn that hoe. She been gone with the quick problem. What the fuck you gonna do, rob me? You know where I'm at, where I'm living, where I stay. Come around my way. I'm high, chilling out with my folks. Thinking of big dreams, trying to ride 100 spokes. Reminiscing on dirty. 6 deep creeping, you ain't fucking heard me. You fucking worried, my vision blurry. I'm swimming with the fishes. You see it on the screen, I'm tripping like I'm drinking lean. Something like a fiend, for the high. Not Mr. Clean, but I ride. Tell these girls, let me slide inside. 5 times 5 and seeing double. 2020, toss a 20, toss the twat. It ain't even funny.
Now I'm gonna freestyle with the American flag behind me while I'm in the yellow submarine. Yeah, I'm in the yellow submarine, like I'm stuck in between a different dimension of something you have never even seen. Unclaimed, incomprehensible. Yes, I'm invincible, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All you faggots are pissing me off, and I'm finding you on the halls without a hall pass. So I gotta kick y'all ass in the balls. So I don't know what I'm talking about, so I gotta run my fucking mouth. And if anybody asks you where the fuck I'm from, I've always said it before, and I say it again, it's the South. Coming out of my mouth. Alright, I'm lost. Lost that one. Let me find it again. Duality tries to free me, but I don't understand what I can't see. See, if you don't understand exactly why the fuck I might even try to be the epitome of what you consider to be another kind of MC. If you don't really like motherfuckers like me, then fuck you, dog. You're not a G. You're nothing but a faggot. You can even have it if you wanna try to go ahead and bag it. Even wrap it up, and I just had a little bit of another kind of fun. You want something like harder than that? I don't understand exactly where the fuck I'm at. I just wanna freestyle and get along while I listen to this funky song. I'm in a yellow submarine. This shit is gay as fuck. I'm trying to rap and look hard in the fucking yellow submarine.
That's what I thought about. That's what I
yeah.
well,
Cartoon fish and shit, man.
Hey.
That's the shit you see on the internet.
Hey, they started, ain't no stopping. Bubbles or oxen, catch 'em, blocking. You ain't getting nothing. Choke and swallowing something. Bitches, they swallowing kids. Chill and tell me something. If it's real, reality is what I deal. Killing casualties upon the field. With a shield and spear, I'm right here. I can graze your head by a hair. Or put it near you, fear you. Never that, never that, never that. Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? It's like it's singing on the track, on the track. We told them boys, told them hoes, we told the Joes to bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. We got it, drop it like it's hot. Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Them boys selling, they dealing, we still killing. Listen to the piano, feel it. Do my thing dirty, but I ain't worried. I'm riding on 30, but it's still early. The cops ain't riding yet, but they will soon. You gotta chill for the second, like mushrooms, and let this shit hit you. Don't blow your high. 3X pills, triple stacks, oh my god. I'm gone faded, and I'm still working. I ain't even got off work yet. I'm sweating, my shirt wet. Bitch, I'm beating your pussy. It hurt yet? She said damn straight. I lay it damn crooked. I hit it from the back, face down, she ain't looking. Bitches.
Yeah. Fuck all that mess, cause we in a yellow submarine. You can't fuck with us. I'm underwater, bitch.